viewers, welcome back to Pritha's Cooking House. Today let me show you how to prepare fish fingers. So fish fingers are one of the most famous Indian snacks recipe. So let's see how to prepare restaurant style fish fingers. Before going to the process, let me remind you that if you are new here in my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get regular updates regarding my recipes. And if you like the recipe, then please like the video, share the video with your family and friends, and put your valuable feedback on the below comment section. And all the ingredients details are below there in the description box. Please have a look. So for making fish fingers, I have taken here pure Kolkata Bhetki fish fillets, and I have cut these fillets into these small pieces like fingers. And here I have taken around 500 grams pure Kolkata Bhetki. And if you want, you can definitely take Bombay Bhetki or any other kind of fish fillets. Now I have added here around 2 tablespoons lemon juice and need to mix this well with the fish fillets. So now we need to add some black pepper powder into it. Around 2 teaspoons black pepper powder I have added here, and I need to add some salt as per taste into it. And then we need to add some ginger garlic paste. Here I have added around 3 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, and after that we need to add another one green mixture. So basically I have taken around 1/4 cup coriander leaves, 1/4 cup mint leaves, and 3 green chilies. I have taken these things into a mixing jar and grinded it properly, and after that I got this green mixture. So we need to add this, and all together we need to give it a quick mix. See, after mixing it, it looks like this. Now keep this aside for around 1 hour, and in the meantime let's prepare one batter. So for that I have taken here around 4 tablespoons corn flour or corn starch, and 4 tablespoons all-purpose flour or maida. And then we need to take 1 egg. So I have taken 1 egg, and then I have added some black pepper powder into it, around 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. Need to add some salt as per taste into it, and then we need to give it a quick mix. Now add some water gradually into it. The water is in room temperature, and then start mixing again. After mixing it well, the consistency or the thickness of the batter should be like this. It shouldn't be very thick or it shouldn't be very thin. So the consistency should be exactly like this, and there shouldn't be any lumps. It should be a smooth batter. I am back after 1 hour, and it looks like the marination has been done properly. Now with the help of a spoon or fork, just take one marinated fish fillet and put it into the batter which we have prepared and kept aside. And once the fish fillet is well coated into the batter, just take it out from the batter and put it into the breadcrumbs. So I have taken here around 250 grams of breadcrumbs, and now coat it well into the breadcrumbs. So once you feel like it's well coated into the breadcrumbs, you need to take it out from the breadcrumbs and need to put it again into the batter which we have prepared and kept aside, because as it's a fish finger and the shape is very thin, so I always suggest to do double coating, or else while frying the fingers it might get broken. So for that we need to double coat it. So I have coated it again into the batter. Now for the second time I am coating it into the breadcrumbs. So like this you need to give it a shape and need to do this breadcrumbs coating very properly, because the crispness or crunchiness depends on the breadcrumbs coating only. So this breadcrumbs coating needs to be very good. Now, following the same procedure, I have made all the fish fingers, and before frying the fingers we need to refrigerate it for minimum 15 to 20 minutes, or maximum you can refrigerate it for 3 to 4 days. So I am back after 8 hours, and now the fingers looks perfect and it looks very well set now as it was in refrigerator. So now we can fry them. For that I have taken one karhai or frying pan and added some refined oil into it. Around 2 cups of refined oil I have added, and when the oil is medium heated, we need to put the fish fingers into the oil and need to fry them. After adding the fingers into the oil, just put some oil on the upper side of the fish fingers like this. So with the help of a spatula we can do this. The way I am doing, you need to follow the same way. And then after 2 to 3 minutes we can turn the fish fingers to the other side. So all the sides needs to be well fried. The gas should be always in low to medium flame while frying the fish fingers, and you need to have a very good patience level while frying the fingers. After 8 to 10 minutes of frying the fish fingers, we can see that the color has been changed and it looks perfectly fried now. So at this point of time, with the help of a spatula, just check the crispness or crunchiness of the fish fingers. Yeah, I have checked and it looks perfect. It looks very crispy now. So at this point of time, we can take it out from the oil. So I have taken it out into a kitchen tissue to remove the excess oil from the fish fingers. And now, following the same procedure, we need to fry all the other fish fingers. So now I have started with the second batch. Likewise, we need to fry all the fish fingers. All my fingers are fried now. I have sprinkled some black salt on the top to increase the taste of the fish fingers. And now our fish fingers are completely ready to be served. Serve them hot with tea, coffee, cold drink or any kind of cocktails or mocktails of your choice. We'll be back very soon. Till then, bye.